So today I unboxing my new Juarej Acoustic 38-inch guitar. So that's the outsider look. So this is came from Amazon. I bought it from the January sale. Now I cut this and opened it. So this is bought from I think 1990, yeah, and its main price is 5,600 something. So this is I think navy blue color or pure blue. So that's the look. That's the look. So now let's see what is inside the box. Now this is the main guitar, main model, and this is the bag where inside the box. And in this bag I think maybe there is just a minute. This is extra string and this is one and the two pick drum. Yeah, this is two pick drum. Now open. Now this is from the upper side and open the main box. So this is wrapping. The wrapping quality is good and the all product service is good. Yeah, this is the navy blue color. Acoustic 38-inch guitar. Yeah, this perfect blue color that I want. Just look at this, guys. And the back side. And this is the upper side. Let's look. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and share, subscribe. Thank you.